Hey, what's up? Hey, you caught me in the backyard working on the backyard farm, getting it ready for the season. Today, I'm gonna make biscuits. We're gonna make some simple homemade biscuits. My philosophy on biscuits is that they should be simple to make with simple ingredients. They should be layered, textured, have a lot of great flavor. So we're gonna go find the ingredients, make some really simple biscuits, have them for lunch today, then we're gonna have them to snack on for the rest of the week. So that's it. Brew strong and feed well. All right, I'm here at the store where all the stuff is. Let's go get our biscuit stuff. All right, I got the stuff. I was torn between using milk and buttermilk, but I went with buttermilk. So let's go make the biscuits. All right, the biscuits are done. It's my first time making them. I think they're a little bit thin. They got the texture, they smell great. Now let's see what they taste. Let me break it open. So you can see that. Smoke coming out of it. They're cooked all the way through. Oh, very good. I got the shortening really cold. I threw it in the freezer to let it freeze, and then I took the old school method of chopping it up into the dough, into the flour. And you want to chop it up because you don't want the butter or the shortening to melt into the flour, because what that'll do is that'll stop the rise of the biscuit. The leveling, I think that's what they call it. Because as it melts, it produces steam. So you want it to kind of be solid still and in pieces. And as it melts in the oven, it creates steam that also helps the baking soda or baking powder with the rise. I'm gonna taste this with some of my Sweet Fire hot honey sauce that we don't have in stock right now, but hopefully sometime later this year we'll have it back in stock. We'll see what it tastes like with that. Oh, that's quite delicious. All right, so that's it. That's our first time making biscuits. We use buttermilk, which gives the biscuit a little bit of a sour flavor. which is excellent. Also, buttermilk is a little bit thicker than milk, regular milk. So you're gonna get a heavier, weightier biscuit. It's amazing. And this hot honey is really good on this. I can't wait to make a breakfast sandwich with these. They're good. A little crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle. It's like a perfect biscuit. And it was very easy to make too. So hopefully you can follow the recipe in this video and you make your own homemade biscuits. They're cheap, they're affordable, they're quick, they're easy. They're all the things you want in something that you cook at the house. Brew strong and feed well.